Getting started. This tutorial will teach you how to prepare the product for use. QR codes on the product and setup guide provide easy access to user documentation, software, and instructional videos. Included items are shown here. Items not included are shown here. Supplies are not included. Go to zebra.com/supplies to learn about genuine Zebra supplies. Step 1. Install software. Go to zebra.com/setup. Download and install the printer setup utilities. Step 2. Set up your printer. Refer to the product setup guide while setting up your product. Connect the power cord to the power supply. Connect the power cord to an AC power source. Verify the power supply indicator is illuminated. Connect the power supply to the printer. Connect a USB cable to the printer. Step 3. Load media. Prepare your supply media. Remove the outer wrap from the media roll to prevent contamination. Place the roll on the holder. Push the media under the guides. Align the sensor near the center or default position. Step 4. Load ribbon. Install the empty ribbon core on the upper spindles. Release the ribbon leader. Install the ribbon onto the lower spindles. Pull the ribbon leader past the print head and attach it to the upper core. Wind the upper spindle towards the rear of the printer until the ribbon reaches the core. Close the printer. Step 5. Power on and print. Press and release the power button. Lights will cycle. When ready, the status indicator will show steady green. If the status indicator is green but blinks, the product is in pause mode. To exit pause mode, press the feed button once. Next, calibrate the product for your media. Press and hold the feed button until the status indicator blinks off and on twice, then release. The printer will slowly feed and measure several labels. When calibration finishes normally, the status indicator will show steady green. Tear off the excess media. Next, test print the configuration report. Press and hold the feed button until the status indicator blinks off and on once, then release. Configuration report.